Want to secure your home with a smart video doorbell? In this guide, I'll show you step-by-step how to install the Ring Battery Doorbell Plus. Quick, simple, and without any wiring needed. Let's get started. Use the included level tool to mark the holes where you want to mount your Ring doorbell. Drill the holes. Use anchors if mounting on concrete, brick, or stucco. Screw the mounting bracket securely into place using the provided screws. Mount the Ring Battery Doorbell Plus about 48 inches above the ground. Mark the screw holes using the built-in level, drill, and insert wall anchors if needed. Align the doorbell and secure it to the wall with the included screws. Finally, attach the faceplate and tighten the short security screw. To hardwire your Ring Battery Doorbell Plus, connect it to your existing doorbell wiring. Turn off the power at the breaker first, then attach the wires to the two terminals on the back of the Ring device. Mount the doorbell and restore power. The battery will trickle charge, but it will still power the doorbell. Hardwiring doesn't replace the battery, it helps extend its life between charges. And that's it! Your Ring Battery Doorbell Plus is now installed and ready to go. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more handy tips. Thanks for watching.